So now let's try to go for bulk operations, sir, HQL. Okay, right click on this, a new, a class. So how can we type most recommended approach HQL client? So observe that guys, please. As well, no doubt about it. This points is common. Now my next point is in HQL, most recommended approach is HQL, Hibernate Query Language. So using HQL, how can we, you can using HQL, we can try to write the Java statements. How can we try to working with HQL? Sir, if you work with HQL, we can try to perform this operations. What operations you can try to perform? We can generate a queries independent approach, guys. What it mean by independent approach, sir? We can write independent queries. Yes, using HQL, we can write independent queries. Oh, independent queries, it means that using HQL, we can make a Java query. You can write SQL queries or Java. We can write a Java statements as the queries. So, and how to write HQL queries? That is the first question comes in the way. And one more thing is HQL keywords are case sensitive. HQL keywords are case sensitive. When you are trying to working, HQL keywords are HQL keywords are case sensitive. So Shiva, let's try to show that how can we try to work this one? Yes, why not? So how to work with HQL queries? Then how to work with HQL queries? Let me try to show you the practically, sir. Very good. So anyone, can you tell me now what is HQL, sir, please? So let me try to talk about it. HQL queries are database independent queries. First point is HQL queries are database independent queries. HQL queries will be written based on POJO class and POJO class member variables. Okay. HQL queries are database independent queries. Independent queries. Good. HQL queries will be written based on POJO class and POJO class member variables. Next, HQL queries are very much similar to SQL queries, right? HQL keywords are not case sensitive, right? But POJO classes and member variables used HQL proposal class and member variables used in this queries are case sensitive. Variables used in these queries are case sensitive. Right. Next, hybrid queries convert HQL queries into database specific SQL queries. Hybrid software convert HQL queries into the database specific SQL queries. Oh, okay. Next, HQL support gives a support for operations, expressions, aggregate functions, and all these things, sir. So let me try to write a simplest approach, sir. How to work with this HQL? Let me try to write it. How to write HQL now? Yes, we can make a simplification of your application development. How to write, Shiva? So one thing, if you know SQL queries, assume that guys, if you know the SQL queries, writing HQL queries are easy, guys. Oh, okay. Now let's try to understand. If you write HQL queries, then HQL queries support, HQL queries gives a support for operations aggregation like this. HQL queries gives support for operations, expressions, and aggregate function, all these things, sir. So my next simple point, let me try to use it. Instead of table columns, instead of table columns, we have to use Pojo class properties. I'll show you the techniques, sir. Properties. Instead of table name, we can use Pojo class name. So if you have to keep this point in mind, so nothing is there. So how to write it then? HQL queries. Let me show you then, please. First, observe that SQL query. How to write SQL query? Select star from. Then we given like employee. Perfect. Then HQL query. Just observe that star symbol we can't use it from Pojo class name. What is the Pojo class name? Employee edit I written like this. So that you can try to fetch the data. What is meaning of this? This is my table name. This is my Pojo class name. Like this. This is a small technique. If you know SQL queries, you know HQL queries. Remember this point, the technique. Now, so select employee number, uh, first name, last name from employee like this. Then what I can do it HQL, please, from select employee name, first name, last name from employee, employee. Right. So from here, observe the guys, from what I can do that from, please. Employee. Come on, guys. Employee. So employee entity is called Pojo class name. So now we have to be used like a property names, right? Select. So what name we are having? Entity class property names, we have to use it. F name. Assume like this, madam. I'm writing, assuming and writing like this. So I hope you understand now how to write HQL queries. Yes. These are not SQL query. These are Java statement, Java queries, madam. Are you clear, everyone? Please.
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you're keeping this point in mind, done, sir. Now, HQL. In HQL, we have one interface name is called query. So we're having one query is one interface. Query, create query, string SQL query. Next, get named query. Get named query. What is the get named query, please? String. Please, guys, get named query. What about next one? Yes, I can write like this. No issues. Then create query and these two methods available which interface? Session interface. These two methods available which interface, sir? Session interface. Oh. So keeping this point in mind, done, sir. Application. Let me show you the practically. Then query. Then new, sorry. Session dot create query. I told you, right? Create query. Then you can write the query here from employee entity. ఒకసారి అర్థమైందని చాలమ్మా, ఇంకేం లేదు, అయిపోయింది. So here javax dot persistent dot query. Otherwise org dot hibernate query dot query. You can use anything. Yeah. Now query dot get result list method. What is that? Get result list. So observe that get result list. We are trying to fetch in the result and we are storing here. What type of information it is? Generic, sir. I'll write generic approach. So I can say employee entity. Yes, obviously we are getting all the employee entities only. Now let's try to go for display, sir. Can I use for loop? Tell me, sir. Can I use for loop? Yes. Can I use for each? Yes. Can I use iterator? Yes. Can I use stream API? Chepannamma. Right. For loop. Then consume. So what do you try to consume in here? EMP. Right. No issues. Why? This is Java 1.5, right? అందుకే error వస్తుంది. Right? Then which one you required? 1.8 or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. That's the mean. Nothing is there. Right. Now for each. What is the for each? EMP go like this. We are fetching the data, sir. Right. EMP dot get employee number. Get employee first name. Last name. Get email. That's it. Look at now, please. So this is the approach you can see now. Compiled Java EE. Done, sir. Right. Perfect. Because the for loops, sir, we know that Java 1.8 we worked with this. See, happily you can fetch the data or not, guys, please. Yes.
Yes.
ఇంతేనమ్మా ఇంకెన్ని రాస్తావు రా ఇంక నీ ఇష్టం అర్థమైందా everyone?
Yes, sir.
So the technique అర్థమైంది కదా like this. Okay, then let's comment it, fetch the data. సంతోష్ ప్రాక్టీస్ మనం చేయాలమ్మా ప్లీజ్ ఏదో వింటే కాదు. I'm requesting you personally. Right. విన్నప్పుడు అంతా బాగుంటది. From employee. Can I try to go for the use where condition, madam? Where? Then employee number greater than 4. Less than 4. So now, yes, ఇంతే ఇంకా రాసుకో. Error is coming. 1 minute. From where? Syntax wrong or not? Right. అయిపోయిందమ్మా గింతే. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. I hope is it clear, sir, please.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, sir, up to here is fine, Shiva. Then what I can do it? Whatever you want, you can try to do, sir. Nobody not stop you anything. Okay. Let me stop it. I want to fetch like, yeah. I want to write like a select first number. Sorry. Employee number. Then let me see once. Entity class level, what name I given? First name. Okay, got it. So EMM first name and last name here. I want only first name and last name, madam. Then you can try to use. Right. Then if you want, you can use this condition. Otherwise, ignore it, sir. Your wish. Okay. Or you understand, please. Then. So now I want to get all the first name and last name. Yes, I can use get result list only. Then what I can do in this case, the specific records here saying now in this case more than one column when you are trying to fetching, don't use employee entity. Let's try to go for using object array. We don't know what are the results will come, sir. Are you understanding my point? Yes. Then now object ob add employees. This is a fixed way, sir. Right. Now let's try to fetch it. Your first name and last name. Got it, sir? Got it, everyone, please? Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ఇంతేనమ్మా ఇంకా అయిపోయింది. ఇది స్పెసిఫిక్ కాలర్స్ కి ఇది వేరే కండిషన్ అది ఇంకా ఎన్ని క్వరీస్ రాస్తాం అన్నది నీ మీద ఆధారపడి ఉంటది. ఎన్ని రాస్తావు రాయి ఇంకా నీ ఇష్టం. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ ఎవరీవన్ ప్లీజ్? ఎస్ గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఇంత ఈజీగా లేదు.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ only specific column, only one column, madam. You are not required to use array here because we then you can try to use string. Right. Just you can try to use str. Specific column, only one column you can try to go for directly, madam. But if whenever you're having a more than one column only, we can try to go for array, object array. Are you understand, please? Yes. అంటే స్టూడెంట్ నెంబరే కదండి, ఇంటీజర్ కావాలంటే ఇంటీజర్ పెట్టుకోండి. యువర్ విష్ అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. I hope everyone is clear, right? Good. Now I want to use named parameters, madam. Ante now we are fetching all the data. Now let me try to use here where employee number colon, okay, colon number. So what you can try to call this one named parameter. The name ante named parameter antarandi. But named parameter means that we have to set the value or not. Yes or no? Yes, Shiva. Then query dot set parameter. Then here you can try to specify the parameter name, then value. What value you wanted, 4 or 5, you can decide, ma'am. This is the way. So this is called dynamically we can try to set the values, madam. Dynamically we can set the values. Is it clear? Yes or no, please? Right, like this. ఈక్వల్ కదమ్మా, అందుకే శివ వచ్చింది. లేదు I want like this greater than. Okay, right, only one record. అదే less than అయితే చెప్పమ్మా. Right, you can try to use relation operators and you can try to see now 0 1 2 3. Are you understand, everyone? This is called what? Named parameter. So can I use a question mark symbol? No, it's a duplicated, madam. Positional parameters are not possible. Instead of using positional parameters, we can try to use a named parameters. Are you understand, everyone, please? Yes. అర్థమైందండి, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you can try to fetch the data full-fledged. Fetch it మొత్తం view record చేయొచ్చా? Now you have, right? Yes, you can do it. The same application. I want to fetch all the information, madam. You can do now everything. Code operation మొత్తం చేయొచ్చు. Because you know that స్టోర్ చేయడం తెలుసు, రిట్రీవ్ చేయడం తెలుసు, సింగిల్ రికార్డ్ ఎలా గెట్ చేయాలో తెలుసు, మల్టిపుల్ రికార్డ్స్ ఎలా గెట్ చేయాలో తెలుసు. మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎలాంటి అప్లికేషన్ చేసేచ్చు ఇప్పుడు మీరు. ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ నౌ? సేమ్ థింగ్ సార్ ఎంవీసీ ఆర్టిక్స్ ఎలా చేస్తారు, అక్కడ సబ్లెట్ జేఎస్పీ పెట్టి ఎంవీసీ ఆర్టిక్స్ పెట్టి ద సేమ్ అప్లికేషన్ కెన్ ట్రై డిజైన్. దీనికే మీరు ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ రాయండి. ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్, ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, లాస్ట్ నేమ్ తీసుకొని ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ రాయండి. ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఏం చేస్తారు, ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు సేవ్ వాడండి, రిట్రీవ్ చేసేటప్పుడు HQL క్వరీ వాడండి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Next, delete చేసేటప్పుడు delete వాడండి. That's it. Are you understand everyone, please? Yes. Right, sure. Now I want to insert multiple records. Is it possible, Shiva? No, not at all. So more than one record is not possible, madam. Please don't go for that. So insertion possible కాదు ఇక్కడ, issue వస్తుంది. So if you want, you can try to update it. If you want, you can try to delete it. But non-selective operations, you can perform only updation, deletion. We can't do insertion, guys. Insertion purpose, we can try to go for native SQL queries. అర్థమైందా? Insertion is not possible working with HQL. Please note this point. Right. Now, let's write it. Update. Update. చెప్పండమ్మా. Update. Table name. Please, fast.
Employee entity.
Set.
Name.
Okay. First name. Right. Comma. Last name. Name. Then update the first name and last. I want to update a first name and last name, madam. So what I can do in first name, last name update చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఇంతే రాస్తాం కదా. Yes or no? Then query dot set parameter. First question mark here. Right. You can set the value. Generally Shiva ఉంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేస్తున్నా. Right. Now second one, last name. Right. Done. Are you clear, everyone? Please. Let's try to execute ma. Query dot execute update. So you can try to specify the count. If count not equal 0, then what I can do is, please fast. Query is updated. Better word is data is updated. Are you clear, please? Yes. Now else block, data is not updated. Let's try to write. Oh, okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. ఇక్కడ తేడా కొట్టింది ఏంటి? 1 2 ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్. ఓకే ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేమ్ రెండు పెట్టారా? గాట్ ఇట్. ఎల్ నేమ్, జస్ట్ టేక్ ఇట్. ఎఫ్ నేమ్ తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం? ఎఫ్ ని క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ సింబల్ వాడినప్పుడు, సారీ కాలన్ సింబల్ వాడినప్పుడు ఈ విధంగా చేయాలమ్మా. క్వశ్చన్ పారామీటర్ అంటే క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ సింబల్ వాడితేనేమో 1 2 పెడతాం. But question mark symbol is deprecated, so we are not using that. So instead of that, we are using named parameters. It means that we have to specify the name and we have to set the value. Okay. So let us come in. 1 minute. Let me see that. Employee entity is not mapped. Sorry. 1 minute. Spelling mistake. Look at now. Right. Capital. Then we did like small, madam. చూడండి. Right. ఎర్ర చూడండి. ఎర్ర చూడంగానే ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ జరగాలి. Right. Error వస్తుంది. Good. Okay. Is non-selective operations how to perform, guys, please? Transaction dot update or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. TX dot.
Where is transaction? I remove, huh? Session dot begin transaction. TX. Compulsory, amma. Then only we can perform this operation. Non-selective queries, we have to perform updation and deletion. Okay, 1 minute. Right. See, data is updated. Nothing is there. Everything is right. The first time we got entity, we did a spell mistake. Second time we did like what? Commit method we missed it because non-set queries, right? Then we can try to work like this. Still any question, please? Guys, anyone?
సార్ డిలీట్ టు సేమ్ ఇలాగైనా సార్ చేసేది?
అంతే చేసేయండి. డిలీట్ చేసేస్తారా? తినా
చేయండి సార్ ఒకటి.
గుడ్. చెప్పండి, డిలీట్ కూడా చెప్పండి. Guys, what about delete query? Delete
From
mm.
employee
ఎంప్లాయీ
entity.
ఎంటిటీ
Mm. Where
ఫస్ట్
మొత్తం రీడ్ చేస్తే కష్టం కదమ్మా, అందుకనే ఒకటే చేస్తున్నాను, సరేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్. దెన్ లేదు, యూ వాంట్ టు సెట్ దిస్ వన్, కాలన్ పెట్టండి, నెంబర్ పెట్టండి. దెన్ సెట్ పారామీటర్ నెంబర్, దెన్ అయిపోయింది. సో now we can try to write anything అమ్మా, మీరు ఏదైనా రాయొచ్చు. ఇంకా మీకు వచ్చిన ఇప్పుడున్న నాలెడ్జ్ తో you can try to write anything. See, deleted. Output is not important, Shiva. Let me show you in the database. Why not? See, fourth record delete అయిందా లేదమ్మా? Right? You won't delete a fifth record. Just mention fifth record. That's it. So this is the way you can try to perform the operation, friends. Nothing is there. See, perfect or not, guys? Right? I hope is it clear? ఇంతేనమ్మా. ఏమన్నా HQL చెప్పండి, ఏం చెప్పండి guys? Easy or not? Friends, easy or not?
ఎస్ సార్, ఈజీ.
కానీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఇది ఏంటంటే నేను ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తున్నా కాబట్టి ఈజీగా చెప్పడం వల్ల మీకు ఈజీ అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ మీకు జనరల్‌గా జరిగేది ఏంది, వేరే కండిషన్ ఎలా వాడతాం. సెలెక్ట్ కొనేసి అంటే మల్టిపుల్ కాలమ్స్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం. సింగిల్ కాలమ్ అయినప్పుడు ఎలా తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ అప్డేట్ ఎలా చేస్తుంటే అన్ని ఆపరేషన్స్ నేను చూపించేసానండి. సో ఒక్కసారి మీరు ఏంటంటే బిహైండ్ దిస్ లెట్స్ లైక్ ఆపరేటర్ పెట్టండి. లెట్స్ ట్రై టు వర్క్ ఏ గ్రూప్ బై పెట్టండి. లెట్స్ ట్రై టు వర్క్ అండ్ సీ దట్. ఏమైతే మీకు తెలుసో ఎస్క్యూఎల్ క్వరీస్ పెట్టండి, పెట్టి రన్ చేయండి. అగ్రిగేట్ ఫంక్షన్, కౌంట్ వేరియబుల్, మ్యాక్స్ నాకు ఎంప్లాయ్ నెంబర్ మ్యాక్స్ తెలియాలి నాకు, రాయండి. లెట్స్ ట్రై టు రన్ ఇట్ అండ్ లెట్స్ సీ దాట్. దెన్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ సీ బ్యాక్. అర్థమైందని చెప్పే పాయింట్ గైస్, ప్లీజ్.
ఎస్ సార్.
రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ dynamic name, dynamic HQL queries, dynamic named HQL queries. So how can I write it in employee entity class level? Here you can write the query, madam. Yes, you can write it. I will write it. Look at now. Get query. Named query. Good. So just you can write like named query annotation. Then name. So you can write the query name. Find dot all. The next. So what is the query? You can write the query, sir. What is the query you can write? From employee entity. మీరు అక్కడ ఇందాక ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారో అంత రాసేయచ్చండి ఇక్కడ. అక్కడ అర్థమైందా? అంటే ఎనటేషన్స్ రాసి మనం ఎలా annotations తో ఎలా చేస్తాం. Are you understanding, guys? Please. దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే డైనమిక్ native HQL queries. Dynamic native HQL queries. How to call this one then? So get named query method. Yes. Get named native query. Native query అది ఇందాక ఏం చెప్పానమ్మా? అన్ని సింపుల్గా ఉంటాయమ్మా, ఏమి లేదు. Get named query. Yes. Named query అమ్మా ఇక్కడ. నేటివ్ సీక్వెల్ లో నేటివ్ క్వరీ అంటాం, అంతే తేడా, అంత మించిన లేదు. అర్థమైందా? Done. So now we can try to go for writing query dot get first result as usual ma. Get list. Why list? Because I want to fetch, we are already calling like more information, guys. Add employees. Are you clear, everyone? Please. Yes. That's it. Now let's try to write it for loop. First name, last name, whatever next one. Email. So you can try to use for each, for loop, whatever may be, you can try to use. So like this. I hope you understand, guys, how to work with this, please.